one of the things with the program that we really, at least for me, that I really wanted to try to work towards fighting. We hear the number 22 quite a bit in relation to shoulder suicide. Whether that number is higher, whether it's lower, whether that's accurate or not, I think we can all agree that one soldier death is enough, and it is way too many. So if we can help one person out and reduce that number, then that's what we're going to do. And I don't care if it takes 100 people to help one guy, that's what's going to happen. So I wrote this song a little while ago, and it's I wrote it, one, to kind of just bring awareness to the situation, but two, to kind of let us ask the question of ourselves, what are we prepared to do in order to reduce that number and to help out our soldiers and veterans? So it's called 21 Guns for 22. And since John already broke the emotional barrier there, I'm going to try to make it through it. But American soldier, now he lives in his car. He tried everything, had too many scars. A picture of his wife and kids, he kissed them goodbye. With pills and booze sitting on his seat. A hero back then fell asleep. The angels gathered round this soldier who fell to carry him home. He's already been through hell. And Uncle Sam cried, another hero has died. As the rifles report the sad news. 21 guns for 22. He sees it clearly, he lives it every day. The time his best friend is taken away. Alone in the barracks, he hardly ever speaks. Ain't talked to his mama in over 3 weeks. He's got guilt running through his head, and a loaded pistol by his head. The angels gathered round this soldier who fell to carry him home. He's already been through hell. And Uncle Sam cried, another hero has died. As the rifles report the sad news. 21 guns for 22. 21 guns for 22. By the end of this song, another hero could be gone. What are you prepared to do? As the angels stand by, and Uncle Sam cries, and the rifles report their sad news. 21 guns for 22. 21 guns for 22. Another 21. 22. Our program, one of the things I didn't mention with our program is, we want to make it as easy as possible for veterans to be involved. And it's open. Our program is open to active duty. It's open to all branches. all generations. We're even, you know, we've even got a spouse who asked if she can bring a guitar along and learn with her husband, and the answer to that is absolutely yes. You know, if you've got a child, you know, we prefer someone a little bit older, you know, a teenager maybe, and they want to come and learn with you, that is great too. If you don't have a guitar, we'll get you a guitar. We partnered with another program called 6-String Heroes, and for 2015 they've allotted us 100 guitars, and we gave out 60 this year. And for next year we have an additional 50 that they're going to add on to that. So thank you. You know, it's our desire to help as many veterans as we can. We know that music is a powerful thing, and you know, so whatever we can do, you know, whether on post, off post, anywhere, we're going to do it. And we appreciate what you do, and thanks for inviting me here. Thank you.